but this is apartment inspo cleaning for those of you who live in a small space. And I'm going to show you how I decorate for Valentine's Day. So hopefully this is a super productive video and makes you guys feel inspired at 3 in the morning to get up and start cleaning. But hopefully you guys don't see my toes in this video. I'm gonna go put some socks on because my toes are beat, baby, they are beat. But I might be barefoot because I think I'm gonna mop, so if you see them, don't look too hard, okay? Anyway, all right, so let me stop talking. Okay, my arm is hurting. So yeah, we're just having a Saturday in where I'm going to clean and get prepared, so, all right. Oh yeah, let me just show you guys. You're gonna see this shopping cart throughout the video. This shopping cart is actually how I get like groceries and my laundry and big bags of things into my house because I live in like an apartment complex sort of building. It's almost like a high-rise kind of. So yeah, they have shopping carts in the basement. So if you guys see that shopping cart, it's not mine. It is, pretty sure the apartment complex stole it, but it is my apartment complex's way of helping you. So I just put my groceries on the elevator and then I can wheel them to my house. So it's really convenient. Also, I don't have a washer and dryer. I live 3 minutes away from my parents' house, so I do my laundry at my parents' house to save money. All right, here we go. My name is Courtney Lake. If it's the first time seeing my channel, make sure to subscribe. I just moved into my apartment, so there might be a lot of like apartment related and decoration and tours and that sort of things sprinkled in here and there, but usually I just do a bunch of like funny, whatever the heck I feel like type of videos. Subscribe. All right, let's go. Why am I so hyped and my voice is so raspy? Here we go. Bye. But okay, I tried to clean last night and I really didn't get anywhere. I honestly think I just made it worse. So we are gonna pick up where we left off yesterday. I did get some of my Valentine's Day decorations out. I had company over, so I didn't film that, but I am gonna film the rest of this. I have food up here. Like the cool blue light. Like the cool blue light. All right, so first I'm gonna be starting in my room here, and ignore my homeless chic mismatch look going on here. I literally woke up out of bed and was like, I'm gonna clean. So anyway, I'm just like rolling up my yoga mat. I like to do yoga in my room sometime in the morning when it's like all dark with the fairy lights on. Yeah, anyway. So basically I was gonna start with my closet, but then I started to make my bed. Some reason I end up with like a bunch of junk in my bed. Oh yeah, excuse my boobs, by the way, like they're completely unhinged in this video. So anyway, I usually like to start with making my bed. My sheets don't match, but they're like really good fleece sheets from QVC that my mom got me, and they're perfect in the winter. They're so comfortable. I sleep like an angel in my bed. So I just, try and cover it up so you can't really see it once the bed is made. So I'm not the best bed maker. I'm not gonna lie. At my parents' house, I never really made my bed, and then by the time I got home, my mom would usually have made it. So I'm not the best bed maker, but I think I'm getting better. So my comforter is completely fuzzy, and it has fuzzy pillow covers, and I have little shearling, little decorative pillows that I got from Primark. And then I have a little blanket that I got on sale from Target. I love to have blankets on the bottom of my bed because I always have pets, and I find that they like to sleep on a blanket at the bottom of the bed. I did end up changing that pillow out for a Valentine's Day pillow. And then I have a little bed tray where I actually do eat my dinners in bed. I actually rarely eat at my kitchen table now that I have one. So basically, I just got this cute little $3 garland, wooden like tassel garland from Target, from the Target Bullseye's Playground or Dollar Spot. I'm like semi-struggling keeping it up right now, but eventually I just go get tape. I'm obsessed with the garland over the bed frame thing, so I think I'm probably going to always have some type of garland or some type of lights over my bed frame for the entire year. I just have to figure out what it was. I had little bells for Christmas, but they were actually kind of noisy, so I might have to get something different for next year. And for some reason, I cannot keep these up. I really can't tell you why. I literally ended up putting about 40 pieces of tape on them, and I ended up having to re-put them up later because my obnoxious cat, who you'll see, loves to knock them down. Now we're tackling the closet. So I do not have a walk-in closet in this apartment. That was the one downfall, but the good thing is that there's 3 like double door closets in the entire apartment, and because I live here by myself, I get to have them to myself, which is great. But the only thing about not having a walk-in closet is trying to utilize the space. I might get maybe some type of other like shelves or something to put in the bottom of the closet. That's probably a good idea. But now I'm just putting away all my Christmas wrapping paper and boxes. I'm going to take those over to my parents' house to put in the garage. So I'm just taking out all my Christmas bags and everything that has to do with wrapping gifts and moving that out of the way. I'm in the middle of my free trial for Disney Plus, so I'm like watching That's So Raven in the process of this. So if you see me looking up, that's why. So basically, I just have a ton of folding to do, and I have so many recyclable bags that I need like a little basket or something maybe for them. I might get a little small basket to put in the corner just to put like recyclable bags in, or reusable bags. I do need to put some of them in my car actually. Any of my little Christmas sweaters and pajamas, I'm just taking out and folding them up to put them back in my parents' house. I literally have tape on my pants, so ignore that if you see it shining. That's what it is. I don't color code my closets. I try and do my closet and my dressers based off of like sections and kind of like what I need the most. So I try and do like a sweater section, a dresser's shirt section, a dress section, kind of so I know where to get things and can be the quick and easiest as possible. So here's my cute little lantern that I keep up all year round, and I got some lights from we had a slight intruder. Gandalf, move! He has the Gandalf! He's not happy. Gandalf, move! Anyway, back to me trying to be aesthetical. I put some lights from Dollar Tree in there. I took some Dollar Tree mesh and made a cute little bow. And I pretty much do that for every holiday. I just switch the Dollar Tree lights inside for whatever holiday, and I switch the ribbon on the outside.
Giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions.
Now I'm basically just packing up all of my laundry, like I said, because my parents, I do my laundry at my parents' house. Yes, I know my TV is very small and in an awkward position. Don't worry, I am planning on getting a TV that is mounted to the wall, but as of right now, a bitch is broke. So maybe once those taxes hit, maybe I will. We'll see. Probably not. I'll probably buy things I don't need from Marshalls. And as you can see, it's been a really long time since I've done laundry, so that thing is stacked and ready to go. Now I'm in my bathroom. I need to clean my shower down, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the Mrs. Meyer's. If you're not hip, get you all the Miss Meyer's cleaning products. That's what all the stay-at-home mom cleaning channels use. And girl, they put me and my mom on. Like, me and my mom love this stuff. It literally cuts through anything. Like, you don't even have to scrub. One time I sprayed it on like my makeup in the sink, and I walked away, and I came back, and literally I was about to scrub, and I looked, and like it was gone. All the makeup was gone. And you guys know, well, you probably know how hard it is to get makeup off of like anything. Oh, so basically a little tip is usually have 2 sponges, one for your toilet and one for your shower. You can get 2 different colors, but what my mom does is she always cuts the corner off of the sponge for the toilet, and that's just the easiest way to not be like, oh shoot, was I using yellow for the toilet or pink for the shower or yellow for the shower? Just cut a corner off of one, and then you know the cut one is for the toilet. Excuse my like plumber crack in this entire video. My pants are too big. Yeah, I'm really bad about cleaning the hair out of my brushes, so that is something that I try and do more frequently because it's disgusting. And out of my comb. And there's just all my little products in there. Good to go. I have a little squeegee in there too. And I did do a little bit of cleaning to my living room, which you didn't really get to see that because that part of the footage got deleted. But don't worry, there will definitely be a living room clean video. And my living room is actually a little bit different now. There's actually pictures on the wall. And I ended up hating this. I thought that looked so stupid, putting the little heart lights from Target up there. So I ended up scratching that. And voila, I thought that looked super cute around the table like that. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the meantime. Thank you. Bye.